Honey has been Snoozeville all day long when Mommy was gone at the 7-Eleven. Let's see what Honey does when Mom gets in the door.
Hey, baby! Hey, baby! Baby! Baby!
Ever accident way when I fell in the house? Just lay there and looked up like what? You again?
You ain't Mommy.
It's the same thing to me.